So, what AI can do, guys? So let's little bit talk about Devin AI as a software engineer, right? So this I'm just making a short video on this. So Devin AI is developed by Cognition, right? And this is a US startup basically, and they are introducing Devin as the first AI software engineer. So Devin is a tireless skill teammates. Even it can do anything, you know. So if I go to the down of this page, right, as comparatively, ChatGPT is a 0.52%, ChatGPT 4 1.7%. So this one is the more accurate real world software engineering performance. This is what the Devin is all about. So cognition is basically AI lab focused on reasoning, and they are getting a lot of funds to create 21 million kind of series of making the AI softwares. Right. So this is how you can reach out there, and if you want to hire a David, you can just okay. So let's me a little bit talk about what AI can do. This one do right. So just open this website and check their information. They are put at age and everything over here. And AI, this AI software is very capable of doing a lot of things. So Devin can learn how to use unfamiliar technologies. You see this blog post, Devin runs control net and model to produce images, right? So Devin can build any and deploy apps in end. End-to-end deployment is also can do. So this is what you have to think about, where your AI is going on, right? And how job is secure in the market, and what you need to learn more about the AI, the Python, the courses award. So it's just a seamless, it's going to be it can do anything, right? So this is the power of AI. Moreover, if I see here, Devin can automate find the bigs and find and fix the bugs also the code basis. Even testing can do. Devin can train and fine tune its own AI models. So it's kind of a different world. Devin set up a fine tuning for a large language model given only a link to a research repository on GitLab. Devin can address bugs and features requests to open source repositories. Given just a link to GitHub issue, Devin does all the setup and context gathering that is needed. Devin can contribute to mature production repositories. But it's not talk about the security, the docs. It can do a lot of things. But about the client security and all, so maybe they going to working on it. And AI daily they are doing some lot of things. Daily it's going to be change and development is going on. Even it's not still about the cognition lab. A lot of other companies is doing. You see this Devin AI as a software engineer is a lot of news in the article is already printed over there. So I'm very excited, how it's going to work. And so this is very small and talent dense. Our founding team has 10 101 gold medals and includes leaders and builders who have made at the cutting edge of applied AI at companies like Cursor, Scale AI, Launch Club, Model, Google DeepMind, Waymo Neuro. So you can join them by clicking here and following their Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Thanks for watching this video. This is all about this AI part. Please hit like and subscribe button if you want to learn more about this. Thank you. Have a nice day.